Spirulina, superfood, the most complete, balanced, and super nutritious food on Earth, according to the medical scientists of UN and WHO. It is the world's richest whole food. It is food from sunlight. Its nutritional content are chlorophyll, 5 to 30 times more than alfalfa and wheatgrass. Protein, 2 times more than soya, 3 times more than milk, and 6 times more than eggs. Beta-carotene vitamin A, 25 times more than carrots. Calcium, 5 times more than milk. Iron, 6 to 8 times more than spinach. Vitamin B12, 2 times more than raw beef liver. Gamma-linoleic acid, or GLA, second only to mother's milk. Spirulina is the most complete, balanced, and most nutritious food on Earth. This according to WHO. We recommend spirulina as the answer to the World Malnutrition Intergovernmental Institution for the use of Algaea spirulina against malnutrition. Spirulina, superfood.